So I'm going from this, typical Raina, typical happy girl, to this. Ew. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are using some CurlsCurls again. Y'all know I don't wear other people's hair like that, but when I do, I like to have my fun, and in today's video we were having tons of it. So first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, congregation, rain gang, happy curl gang, welcome back sis for another video. So usually I will use just one pack of hair, but I'm going for a very big hair look, so I'm using 2 packs. So if you do not know about CurlsCurls, it's 100% human hair, and the reason why I promote CurlsCurls on my channel, you've seen them plenty of times on here if you're a subscriber, is because not only do they have good quality, but their prices are A1 in my opinion. Other people's hair can run very, very expensive, and I don't have time for that nor the funds. So I like CurlsCurls for their quality and as well as their pricing. So this is like a 3-day-old wash and go. I think I use Wetline Extreme Gel, but now we're gonna go for a bigger look. Okay, so we have our packs of hair, we have our clips that it comes with, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is how the hair is looking. So this is how your hair would look out of the pack. I usually choose a 3B, 3C hair texture, hair type, because my natural hair is 3C. So in your pack, you should receive about 10 pieces. Now again, I got 2 packs, which is about 240 grams, because your girl wants super big hair, but you will get about 10 pieces in each pack. I'm not using any water like I normally would. If you check back on my old videos, I use water and styler. All I'm using is all I'm using is a wide tooth comb to pretty much just manipulate the curls. As you can see, as I'm going through, I'm acting kind of like a pick in a sense, and I'm just trying to pick out all of the curls and how it comes. I wanted to match my texture more, just to make it look more realistic. So all I'm going to be using extra besides just the comb is this Hold Me Softly Style Bomb by Curlsmith. I chose this because it's a styler, but it's more of a cream. So what it's really going to do is just kind of enhance certain parts that kind of frizz, and it's going to give the clip-ins moisture. Normally, you will see people do water and styler and all that, and by all means, if you've never tried clip-ins, definitely do it that way. But because I've done this many times, I'm going to go ahead and just use it on dry hair and use my clip-ins on dry hair, which to me cut down the time so significantly. So I think this is just definitely a good way to go if you're going somewhere and you don't have time to let your hair dry, you're trying to pop in some extra curls and get it together, then this is definitely something that you might consider to do. I did kind of go back and forth with my Denman brush to emphasize the curls on the ends because I wanted to mimic my hair. That didn't really do too much like I expected. I think I probably needed like a gel to really encourage that curl on the end, but nonetheless, y'all, it was fine for me and what I was going for. You have to just always, again, like I say, do what works for you. So I am simply doing what you guys have seen me do a million times, which is put in the doggone clip-ins in my head, okay? The only difference is I am not using water, which to me, I actually really love the outcome. I hope you guys do too. It's a total different look, which is what I was going for. Honestly, y'all, I'm trying to really kind of see what I'm trying to do for Valentine's Day and for my birthday and my wedding anniversary that's coming up in the next couple of months. So this came perfectly in trying to play around with the kind of look that I'm going for, because we have pretty big plans and I want, big hair, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so as you guys can see, I am just repeating what I've already explained and expressed to y'all. So just continue to watch and I shall be back, and yeah. All right, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to watch. Okay, let me go. All right, so as we're coming to the end, I'm just kind of trimming and shaping it to my liking. Not too much though, because I did want length. And I am just taking a regular scissor. You don't have to use hair scissors. It's really up to you. Now, for me, you could easily stop here, but your girl's extra, okay? I'm extra. So I took a few, a few pieces from the other pack. Because I am just filling in, the certain gaps and holes that I see. And just, again, shaping it to my liking. Now it's time for the edges. You guys know I love Style Factor, Edge Booster Style Factor. The best edge control to me on the market. It stays, it does everything it needs for it to do. So I went ahead and, cut it off and put on a jean jacket and say, ew. Now, while this looks like a whole lot of hair, y'all, I just knew it was going to be heavy, but it was not. It was super lightweight, which is even better for sleeping purposes. I loved it, y'all. I know it's a whole different look, but it's dope to me. So I'm going to show you guys what I do at night. So I'm taking my swirly curly. I have a whole video on this. It's great. It's, again, women-owned, black-owned, family-owned business. I do have a code, which I'll leave on the screen and down below. But anyway, I go ahead and I just double them up and I put it back and I go ahead and take my large bonnet and I would just sleep like that. This bonnet I actually got from my local beauty supply store. It's extra large. It works great for styles like this. And then that was pretty much it. So the swirly curly and the bonnet is great for sleeping. The fact that, again, that this is not heavy at all. The clip-ins, or the clips I should say, did not feel uncomfortable. And like I said, very, very lightweight hair, even though it was a lot of hair. So sleeping made it easy for those of you guys who do not want to take out your clip-ins, daily and put them in daily. So installing dry clip-ins worked well for me. I really love the outcome. It's super big, what I was going for. Very lightweight as well. So thank you, CurlsCurls, for sponsoring this video, because you get a coin for that.
I like it. All right.
And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.